Not many could say they've done this. It is insane watching all the fish. Hey, buddy. Hey, no. Oh, yeah.
You are one aggressive little dude.
There. Oh my God, he got me. I've been hiding this from you. Dude, you got me all dirty, bro. Back off. What's going on, Cuffaro? Welcome back to another video. Today, well, I'm watering my pigs right now. Instead of plants, I got pigs. It's hot. Turn this off. I've got something to tell you, but we're gonna wait on that. I gotta feed the animals. I haven't showed you the animals in a while. Let's do it. What are you doing here, bud? Smash the like button and I'll push him in. Just hit it real quick. Hit it real quick. Hey, bro.
Oh no, oh no.
No, I don't want to go in there. I don't want to go in there. Paul, 50 bucks, you got a deal, I won't go in. Oh. Thanks. Right. Hey, little guys. I love how friendly Lil Baby got. Look at him now. Lil Baby comes right up with King and Boots, our other two friendliest goats we got. So now we got 3 goats, and these 3 are the shy ones. They'll come up every once in a while, especially Oscar over there, who's coming right now as I say it. Come here, Oscar. Likes to itch his head with my hand. Hey, Lady May. Aww. She is literally the best. I love Lady May. Sneak up on her. Mango. Hey, buddy. Hey, no. I hate the flies in this enclosure. Yeah, get that. I spray this wood and it helps prevent the flies from going into the house. Daddy's got a treat. Oh, my goodness. Came right up.
Everyone gets a carrot. Come on now. There's a carrot.
Oh, Lulu.
All right.
Oh, wow, she's aggressive. Watch all the pigs run to it. Got to give these to the other side too. We can't leave nobody hanging. There you go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That is terrifying.
Why don't you put it in your tray, you lunatics? Emus. Not many could say they've done this. Fish building. Lights are off. Wow. Hey, wake up, everyone. Shout out to all the members. Members got their names on this wall right here. I am 100% redoing this soon. This entire section. Size of some of these turtles in here. They're massive. There's a girth on that African side neck. It's crazy. I'm not gonna lie, I just picked this up thinking it was a turtle. It's not. Just look how beautiful this area looks. It is crazy over here. Oh yeah, water's nice and warm. Hey Beast, what's up, buddy? Some sinking pellets and some floating. It is insane watching all the fish go absolute bonkers for pellets. They're literally, they love pellets more than tilapia. Gosh, it is so dope, dude. This hybrid's getting big, dude. The one-eye hybrid, it's got one eye. See that? There's Beast. What up, Beast?
Oh my gosh.
Our new big gourami right there. Look at that. I still have the PVC at the bottom. I gotta get that. Platinum red tails. All the fish look so good. And they got a lot of room to swim around. 1 to 10, Brenton.
1 to 10?
1 to 10.
I'm gonna give it a 3.
Well, Cuffaros, now that we've fed all the fish, all the animals, this right here is exactly what I wanted to tell you guys. I've been hiding this from you. Looks like you took doo-doo in this pond. The filter stopped working and the algae took over. Florida sun is a gnarly thing.
Dang.
Thankfully, it is a snapping turtle that lives inside here, and they don't care what the water looks like. They actually prefer it to be nasty like this. But for visual purposes, we need to fix this. There's only one way to begin. That's cleaning our mess up. Actually, the Florida sun's mess. This is not my mess. True. Well, I don't know where he is, but
This is a
dangerous game. Well, that's awesome. Just popped it. That thing cranks. Fire hose. That water got so dirty so fast. Oh, I see him. It's right there. Oh, thank God that was his tail.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, he got pretty big.
Hi.
Oh my.
Oh, he's reaching down to my. Well, as you can see, it's time we remodel this thing. Go. Make a run for it. Like you've escaped one time already. He did, I found him in the pool.
Wow.
Oh.
Look at him coming at me.
Oh, yo. My man's got some smoke with you.
What are you gonna do? Oh! Alright, I got a small mesh net to get all the junk out of this. Just net all the stuff we can. Look at all the baby mollies, bro. Brenton! So when I was feeding him live molly, one of the mollies didn't get eaten and had a bunch of babies. I got 6 of them right there. Turtle's gonna get its own cave today.
Oh.
Its own filter running today.
Dang.
It's gonna get a whole makeover. You're here to watch. First stop, Home Depot. We're here.
Oh my goodness.
I was just about to intro the video and you want to shart in front of the camera?
That was not me.
It's just a mystery ghost, huh? I think these are going to be our best bet to build up quickly, efficiently, and cheaply.
Cheaply isn't a word, but I agree.
Perfect. How many do you think we need?
Okay, so
4?
I think we do 3 up, 2 across, and 3 down.
We could do a slate rock for the top.
Oh, okay, so you want to go 4 up?
Yeah. One at a time. What a weakling. How many more we need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Tile for like a driveway that you would do turf between. Dream of mine, by the way, to have a driveway with turf down the middle of it.
That'd be dope.
It is a dream of mine.
That would be dope.
One day.
It'll never happen. Oh, I'm sorry.
You know what? Now that I think about it, it might not ever happen. $30 for a piece of rock. Oh yeah. Lumber 503, lumber 503.
That is a dangerous move right there.
It's also a good move because now we have our cave. We're back home, loading up the wheelbarrow. Take all this back to the pond. It's time to remodel a turtle cave. An easy DIY turtle cave. Alright. This is a team effort here. I'm trying to think. Might have to remove 1 brick. That's close to the top. He can climb
Get out
out.
of that. Oh yeah, he'll definitely get out of that.
Don't want to make another mistake, huh?
No, that thing would eat a dog.
Here. More of like an effect for the cave feeling for him. Take a look inside. That right there is the cave we've made for the snapping turtle. He can get on top. He can have a little bit of water because it'll probably be like that deep. And then if he wants to, he's got a full cave. And it's as simple as that. Just an easy little couple bricks and slab. Are you enjoying your time out of water? I need you to come back over here, please. I know you're aggressive. I know you're aggressive. What? Oh! How did he not just break the lens? Dude, he's a monster. That's Raptor for you. Bro, this actually looks so much better. It's a little bit of detail. We could put a plant on top or something, but he'll just end up destroying it.
Some wood could go in there. Nice piece of wood.
Like this wood?
Yeah, that wood right there. Yep.
Perfect. All right, well, we got a little piece of wood just for some extra structure. That is 10 times better than it was before. We were putting all the mollies back in the pond. There's actually so many. So there's a bunch of mollies in there, and we're actually about to go get fish for this as well, so that he has some live fish he could chase around and catch, keep him entertained.
You are one aggressive little dude.
There. Oh! Oh my God, he got me! Oh my God, he got me! Are you good?
Yeah, I didn't even break my skin.
Dude.
No way.
Right there.
Yeah, got me right there.
Look at the bite. Dude, look at the freaking triangle from his mouth. He barely got you,
I've been
dude.
bit by one of those now. Oh, he's mad.
He is so pissed in there right now. Stand it up over there.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's dope. Oh my gosh,
What
dude.
is wrong with you?
Something is up with him. He is not happy that we're messing with him.
Oh yeah, he did get me. Look at that.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Wow, dude. He is aggressive.
Hey.
Dude, he's mean, bro.
Bro, he's just biting stuff for no reason.
All right, it is time. We are here at the good old bait spot that we catch all of our fish every time we do anything. This place is just absolutely stocked, and we're gonna get some entertainment for our snapping turtle, whether it's to eat, make friends, whatever they may be. We're gonna catch them.
It'll be to eat.
Oh my goodness.
You're probably right, honestly.
Absolutely nothing.
This is almost embarrassing, dude. I aspire to be those gentlemen right there. Retired on a golf course at age 35.
I think those are students.
All I need is one good cast and just load up. Hey, 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 hey. Some beautiful colors. How the... Boom, baby.
There they are.
Sink her down. That right there is exactly what we're looking for. A baby version of what you just had seen I had. Look at all those, baby. Exactly what we want. That's it. That's all we need. Oh, look at this little guy. He was stuck in the net, so we always have to release one out of the whole bunch. His name is Charles.
Charles is gone.
There you go, Cuffaros. We've loaded up some fish. We're gonna head home and stock up the pond now. Well, we're back. And we got baits. Tilapia. Tilapia. Become friends.
No, I don't know if that's what's supposed to happen.
I'd say we got about a dozen of these guys. Another one. Look at that. Swim. These right here, that's some good peacock bass bait. Peacock bass.
Oh.
Oh. Peacock bass. Boom! Boom! Simple as that. He got both of them. Thank you so much for watching today's video.
R.I.P. That peacock annihilated that thing.
He did indeed. We'll see you in the next one. Peace!
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh.